Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add music in InShot. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to add music, I'm gonna show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now simply choose the option that you prefer. Now from here, choose a video that you want to edit and click here to add it to your timeline. Now to add the music, simply click on audio and now you can see different options like music, effects, record. Since I want to add music, simply click on music and you'll see different featured music from InShot, and if you click here, you'll be able to access the music from your gallery. Since I want to add music to my video, I'll choose one of the music from my gallery. And just like this, we have added music in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.